ready to transform your client billing from a chore into a powerhouse of professionalism and profitability. Let's dive into mastering Xero for invoicing. First, we need to navigate to the invoicing section in your Xero dashboard. Locate and click on the Sales tab in the top menu from the drop-down that appears, select Invoices. Now, to create a brand new invoice, find the prominent green New Invoice button, usually located in the top right corner, and give it a click. You'll now see the invoice creation screen. Let's start by filling in the essential details in the To field. You can select an existing customer from your Xero contacts, or add a new one by typing their details then. Set your invoice date and the due date, making sure it's clear for your client. Next, let's add the services or products you're billing for. Click on the Add Item button. This opens up fields where you'll enter a concise description of what you're providing, the quantity, and the unit price. Xero will automatically calculate the line total and the overall invoice amount. If you're billing for the same items regularly, consider adding them as products or services. You can do this by clicking the drop-down under Add Item and selecting Add New Item. This saves you time and ensures consistency. Before sending, always take a moment to review your invoice. You can preview how it will look to your client by clicking the Preview and Save button. This is your last chance to catch any errors and ensure everything is perfectly presented. Once you're happy with how it looks, you have a few options. You can directly email the invoice to your client by clicking the Send button. Xero will pre-populate an email with your branded invoice attached. Alternatively, you can download a PDF copy to send via your own email client. The beauty of Xero is its tracking capabilities. On your main invoices screen, you'll see the status of each invoice, whether it's a draft, awaiting payment, or has been paid. This makes managing your cash flow incredibly simple. By adopting this professional and efficient approach to invoicing with Xero, you're not just sending a bill. You're streamlining your business operations, encouraging timely payments, and projecting a polished, trustworthy image to every client. Start invoicing smarter today.